Hello, my name is Donna Selkson. I have changed careers and have been teaching at Hinsdale South in honors chemistry for 11 years. Prior to teaching, I worked for Dr. Robert Gerges in Woodridge, Illinois. We have 4 children. I have a daughter at Miami University in Oxford, Ohio. I have a daughter who is in 5th grade, and I have identical twin boys in 4th grade. I enjoy playing sports with them and also playing musical instruments. Originally, I'm from Detroit, from downtown Detroit, but I moved here in the year 2000. A little bit about my classes. Students can seek outside support by just emailing me and setting up a time to meet. To best understand the material taught, daily practice will be given, and it's really important that your son or daughter completes these daily practices. Every assignment is weighted 0 points, so it does not hurt or help their grade in the grade book, and the answer keys are given the following day. Canvas also houses the unit schedule. Within that unit module, they have the homework assignment and the agenda for each of the days for that unit. Canvas can also have resources for that unit. However, paper copies are given in class. Students and parents, the best way to contact me is via email, dselkson@hinsdale86.org. I've also set up a Remind app that students can use to contact me, and parents can also become observers in Canvas if they wish to have access to that information. The link to figure this out, to be able to be an observer, is linked to the principal's greetings for curriculum night. I look forward to a wonderful year in honors chemistry. Have a great night.